Hi everyone, in this video we're going to go over the product and order settings and explain what each feature and automation means. So let's start with product settings. First of all, to get here you have to click on your profile and hit settings. Then go to product settings. In here you start with general settings. So let's go one by one. Publish scope. What that does is you can choose whether when publishing the product from RondeVu to your online store and making it available for sale, you can choose to either only make it available on your online store, or if you want to publish it and make it available for sale on all sales channels like Facebook and others that you may have connected to your Shopify. Second is make products taxable or not. Do you want to charge taxes? You always should, because you should pay your taxes. And finally, does your product require shipping? Usually most products do, so by default this option is always on. Now let's go to inventory management. Pretty simple. The first one asks you whether you want to track the amount of inventory that's available. We always suggest not to turn this on, just because even if one supplier runs out of a certain product, you can always find another supplier to quickly change them inside of RondeVu and fulfill the orders. You don't want to stop selling an item when drop shipping and running ads. Now let's go to order settings. In here, first of all, you should start by connecting your AliExpress account. This will allow RondeVu to fulfill all the orders automatically as soon as you get them, thanks to our API integration with AliExpress. So make sure to do this. The next section is asking you whether you want to fulfill the orders as soon as they appear in your Shopify, or whether you want to do it manually. We suggest doing it automatically because it just makes life a lot simpler and process a lot faster. And the last section here is whether you want to add a note to the supplier on AliExpress. This is always here by default, but you can alter it however you want. And this here is a custom phone number that you can input. What that does is, if for some reason the customer placed an order and didn't enter a phone number, RondeVu will automatically use whichever number you will pick to provide to AliExpress in order to fulfill the order and make it available for payment. Now the next part is the shipping selection. Here you can choose what kind of shipping you want to use for all orders for all products on your store. Don't forget though that in my product section right here, you are able to pick different shipping options for a specific product. So this is like the general one for your entire store. Because of that, I usually leave it the way it is, default shipping. And finally, the fulfillment settings. Here you can choose when you want to notify Shopify, and RondeVu does this automatically, obviously, but basically when you want RondeVu to notify Shopify that the order has been fulfilled. We always suggest use the awaiting delivery stage, because that basically means that the order has been shipped out and the tracking number is already available. This will help a lot in dealing with disputes in case you have any, and it just provides a better experience for your customers because they know that their order is on the way. These two options are pretty self-explanatory. Do you want to notify the customers when the order is fulfilled? The answer should be yes, because why not? Customers are happy when you tell them that their order is on their way. And do you require tracking number to be uploaded to Shopify in order for RondeVu to mark it as fulfilled in Shopify? Finally, here you can input the custom tracking service that you use and that you want your customers to have access to when they want to track the shipment. We use 17track.net because usually we ship products to our customers all over the world directly from Chinese manufacturers. And that is basically it. Thank you so much. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in the next ones.